Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
The 2020 hot pepper grow season is over, and now, for the first time, all of you can enjoy the taste of our homegrown pods. Let me explain. If you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Each summer, we post a lot of photos of our hot pepper harvests. People are constantly asking us, what do you do with all those peppers? Well, this season, we sent a whole lot of our 7-pot and Trinidad scorpions to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Almost every week from August through early October, we packed up and mailed off a whole box of ripe pods. Why Carlisle, you ask? It's because of this guy.
My name's Tim Myers. I started Hotheads Hot Sauce about 2.5 years ago. Basically, I was a brewer. I was a home brewer first, and then I became a brewer for a restaurant in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I saw the similarities between craft brewing and hot sauce. I wanted to kind of do my own thing and create hot sauce that I loved and that I enjoyed, and that maybe I could get other people who were afraid of hot sauce or maybe who had been burned by hot sauce in the past and get them to enjoy hot sauce as well.
I first became aware of Tim and Hotheads Hot Sauce in the summer of 2019 when he posted a photo on Facebook wearing a 7-Pot Club t-shirt. That certainly was a good way to get my attention. He sent me some bottles to try, and I reviewed them in an episode in August of last year. I was impressed by the bold and balanced flavors. Another question I often get is, do you sell your hot sauce? I've always liked the idea, but these days, my business is making videos and songs. We do sell merch, but not directly, because it's manufactured and fulfilled by a company called Threadless. But I noticed there wasn't a 5-flame sauce in the Hotheads lineup. So I contacted Tim about a year ago and asked him if he'd be interested in producing a 7-Pot Club Hotheads collaboration hot sauce with a hopped up heat level powered by some of my favorite super hots.
I was very excited when Rob contacted me because 7-Pot Club and Hotheads official hot sauce is a great fit. We love what Rob does, and I think Rob loves what we do.
So we agreed to work together. The first order of business was to decide what pepper should be used in the sauce. We landed on 7-Pot Katy, 7-Pot Lucy, 7-Pot Primo Orange, and Trinidad Scorpion Long SR. To make this a true collaboration, we would both grow these 4 varieties and then combine our peppers to make the sauce. While the seedlings were growing, we kept talking about what kind of taste profile could appeal to both of us. After a little back and forth, we agreed on a recipe.
I think it was a total of 23 test batches, actually. Absolutely the most test batches that I've ever done for a sauce. I was doing a little something more different than Rob wanted, so once I course corrected that, we got there pretty quickly, and then it was a matter of just, is it hot enough for 7-Pot Club?
You know what? Tim really makes me sound like a diva. Hun, am I a diva?
No comment.
Tim, I'm really sorry if I was a pain, but this is the first edible product for sale bearing our logo, and the flavor profile and heat level really needed to reflect the personality of 7-Pot Club. So I was constantly asking,
Can you make it any hotter? Just a little bit hotter. Can you make it any hotter? Just a little bit hotter.
Tim didn't send me bottles of all 23 test versions, but he did send me quite a few. I still have number 23, the recipe we agreed on. Each test bottle he sent me came with a sheet detailing the ingredients, plus suggestions for names and taglines. This note has an additional handwritten message which reads, I think this is the heat level and also the amount of lime you're looking for. I hope, with a smiley face. And by the time we got to batch number 23, it was hot enough for 7-Pot Club. I wasn't looking for a last dab experience, but my goal was a sauce with amazing flavor and hot enough to get my attention. Tim really hit the mark. This sauce is based on my 3 favorite hot sauce ingredients: carrots, lime juice, and of course, super hot peppers. It has a lot of the elements of the Belizean-style recipe we use for our homemade 11 sauce. But it's not a copy. Tim's remixed recipe adds some new flavors and is really well balanced.
The Scoville Scalé has at least 3 times the amount of pepper pods as any other sauce that I make. All the pods were grown by Rob and myself. It is definitely way hotter than any sauce that I have made in the past. The sauce is amazing. Scoville Scalé.
Yes, I agree with Tim. Scoville Scalé is amazing.
If you like it spicy, oh, Scoville Scalé, Scoville Scalé.
As soon as our pepper gardens produced enough pods, Tim ramped up production and he's ready to ship. You can buy it now at hotheadsofficial.com. I'll have a link in the video description and on our homepage at 7 Pot Club, plus I'll post links on social. The first 100 bottles sport a label signed by both me and Tim. I hope you will support a small business and try this sauce. Tim compensated me with a small stash of bottles to share with family and friends, but Hotheads will get 100% of the proceeds for all sales. I'm just super thrilled that our fans can purchase a really excellent sauce made with pods grown in our front yard. It's been a dream of mine for many years. So now, I think it's time to give it a taste. Okay, as always, I've got my Cars table water biscuits, the blandest cracker that I know of. Pour out a healthy dollop. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, I love that color. Wow. Or should I say,
Scoville Scalé.
wow. It's really quite hot, but it's also very tasty. It's not easy to create a sauce at this heat level and still retain a lot of flavor. I love fermented sauces and sauces made with smoked peppers, but my favorite sauces showcase the taste and aroma of fresh pods combined with other complementary flavors. In Scoville Scalé, that means lime and a dab of tomato paste that adds an undertone of umami. Have a little bit more. Maybe not as much as the first time. I can't really taste the carrots too much, but I think they're a flavor carrier. They don't really produce that much flavor themselves, but I can definitely detect the garlic and the tang of apple cider vinegar. You know, I've already finished an entire bottle. And I can tell you that this sauce pairs well with a number of foods. I've used it on eggs, sandwiches, stir fries, French fries, pasta, pizza, and more. It's enhanced all of them. Because it's quite hot, and I'm not fooling you, it's quite hot, and because it has very concentrated flavors, you don't have to use a lot. To me, Scoville Scalé enhances other flavors. It's a supporting player, not the star. I just love it, and if you like it spicy, I think you will too. Go to hotheadsofficial.com and order today. Tim and I thank you.
Hot heads in 7 Pot Club, cooking up something you're gonna love. Rob and Jim's collaboration is a cause for celebration. If you like it hotter, Scoville Scalé. It's just a little bit hotter, Scoville Scalé. If you like it hotter, Scoville Scalé. It's just a little bit hotter, Scoville Scalé. Do you like it hotter, Scoville Scalé? 'Cause it's a little bit hotter, Scoville
You know, winter is coming. In Minneapolis, it's already here. You're going to need more hoodies, sweatshirts, hats, face masks. Why not get some that feature 7-Pot Club and hot pepper related designs? Check them all out at 7pot.club/merch. If you haven't sent in your self-addressed stamped envelope to get your free 7-Pot Club membership card and stickers, go to 7pot.club and get all the details. International friends, sit tight. We're working on an easy way to make this perk available to you as well. And for even more 7-Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob. Scoville Scalé.